The MFG here, and I have to admit something that is, I've been faking. I've been faking this whole time. People keep calling me an influencer and all these different things, and I have to be the fakest, worst influencer in the world. You could probably look at all my posts on LinkedIn, all my posts on YouTube, Facebook, and not one time have I said like, subscribe. But in the vein of influencing, I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better to put out even more videos, even more content, and actually accept the duty that's been given to me as a manufacturing influencer. With that being said, people still call me an influencer. I do a horrible job of posting recap videos of my tours, posting recap videos of my keynotes, and I promise that I'm gonna do a better job this year. Another thing I'm gonna do is make more content for y'all. I get a lot of questions after my tours and after people view my content or speak with me, and they always ask, how can I get started in my area? And a great way for people to get started, if you ask me, in manufacturing and engineering careers is by technical colleges and two-year colleges in your local area. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a new series. It's gonna be quick, just a couple of minutes every week, about top tech schools in your state. This way, you can see them, you can share them, you can be a part of them if you're a community college or tech school, and we can show people after they watch these videos and they're all excited about manufacturing and engineering careers, exactly where to go locally. Now, I'm gonna keep this thing at 3 schools per state, and I have some criteria that I'm judging these schools on, but I also wanna hear from you. I got a late start on the year, so I'm gonna do my best to hit every single state, but we'll start with the states that I have the most questions and the highest analytics. So according to the analytics, we'll be going California, Texas, New York, Florida, and Illinois. Tell me about those tech schools in your area. I wanna make sure that they hit this list. I wanna make sure that you guys help me become a better influencer for our industry, and we all win. Holla at your boy.